If you are experiencing any issue with Keep Notes app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot this app. By troubleshooting this app, you'll be able to fix issues such as the app keeps on stopping, the app is too slow, or even if you can't open the app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to troubleshoot your Keep Notes app, first we need to access the app info page, and you can do this by just going to settings. And from settings, look for this option called apps, and then manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From this list, just search for your app by name, and here we go. We are on the app info page. Here we first need to force stop this app to prevent any activities that might be running in the background. Then head to clear data and click on clear cache, and okay. You may also want to clear all data by just clicking on this, and from now restart your smartphone, and if you go to your app now, it should be working without any issue. But should the problem still persist, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your Keep Notes app. So I'll search for my Keep Notes, and here it is. And here, check if you have any update and update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons your app is malfunctioning is because you might be using an outdated version of this app that is not supported. But in case you have an issue where your app keeps closing, for that you need to uninstall the app and install it afresh. And by doing so, this will remove any bugs that might be associated with your Keep Notes app. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.